Have you ever felt lost in life? Like you are doing every this, but still something feels missing. No peace, no direction, just pressure and confusion. You are not alone. Every young person faces this, but thousands of years ago, Lord Krishna already gave the solution in Bhagavad Gita. This Gita is not a regular book, it's a guide to life. How to stay calm, focused, and successful, no matter what happens. And today I will share the 7 crumbs from the Bhagavad Gita. This can completely change your mindset and life. Don't skip this video because the 7th crumb in something most people never realize until too late. Crumb 1. Focus on action, not on results. Krishna said, you have the right to perform your action, but not to the result of that action. Think about it. We stress before even starting something. We think, what if I fail? What will people say? And because of the fear, most people never even begin. The Gita said, your job is to do your duty. Success or failure is not in your hands. Only effort is. If you keep working without fear, the result will come naturally. Example, when a farmer plants seeds, he doesn't control the rain, but he still plants them because his duty is to sow, not to be decide the weather. Same with your life. Just start your crumb. Crumb 2. Never run away from your work. Today many people quite easily they say this job isn't for me or I will wait for a better opportunity. But Krishna said even a small duty done sincerely is greater than a big task left undone. Every small step continues, every small jobs, small videos, small goals, they shape your future. So whatever work you have right now, do it with some percent honesty because real growth begins when you stop expecting your responsibilities. Crumb 3. Stop comparing your life. Comparison in passion. You scroll in social media. You see someone traveling, someone buying a car, and you start doubting your own worth. The Gita teaches everyone has their own path, their own timing. Some people bloom early, some bloom late, but every flower blooms when its time comes. So don't waste angry comparing instead. Event it is improving yourself. If you walk, study on your down own path, you will reach your destination and it all be worth it. Term 4. Control your mind. Krishna said, the mind can be your best friend or your worst enemy. If you control your mind, if you handle any solution. But if your mind controls you, even some problems will feel impossible. When you feel anxious or lost, take a deep breath, calm your thoughts. Your mind is like a wild horse. The more your chase it, the more it runs. But if you guide it with patience, it start to obey medicine, journaling, even just sitting in silence can bring the control. Karam 5. Move forward despite fear. Fear will never get away. Even Arjun was afraid before the great war began. But Krishna didn't remove the fear. He gave him strength to act despite fear. That's what real cause means, not the because itself for fear, but talking action even where you're secret. People may laugh at you today, but tomorrow this some people will ask how you did it. Don't stop because of your fear, work with it. Crumb 6. Let's go of anger and greed. Anger burns peace, greed kills happiness. The Gita said, desire and anger are the biggest enemies of the soul. The more you want, the more relentless you become. True peace doesn't come from having more, it comes from being content with what you have while still working for what you want. Let's go of ego, jealousy, and over ambition. They block your growth. Crumb 7. Understand your dharma. Dharma doesn't mean religion, it means responsibility. If you are a student, your dharma is not learn essentially. If you are a creator, your dharma is to share truthfully. If you are a son or daughter, your dharma is to respect and support your family. Dharma is not about rituals, it's about doing what right. No matter how hard it fails. When you follow your dharma, your purpose becomes clear. These 7 crumbs are not magic, they are habits, and if you practice them every day, your life will slow transform. You will not stop worrying. You will stop comparing. You and most importantly, you will start living with peace and purpose. Comment below, I will follow my crumb, and if this video touched you, share because someone else might need this message today.